back again with another video. Do a little audio comparison test today with 3 different microphones. Just to see what they sound like. I picked up a couple microphones and I haven't decided which one I want to keep yet, so I decided to do a little audio comparison video so you guys see if you guys can tell the difference. I encourage you to leave comments down below and also hit the like and subscribe button down below as well, please. I'm currently using right now the Sennheiser lavalier microphone hooked up to the Hotech receiver transmitter, and this is the Sennheiser Pro Audio ME2-2 omnidirectional microphone. From what I can tell, it works pretty good. Paid a pretty little penny for it on Amazon, but it's very, very good quality. The build quality, you can tell right away, is very good. The cable itself feels very thick, almost like a Kevlar-ish cable. The microphone itself is very small, not big like other ones, but it feels very sturdy. The microphone clip itself is also strong, pretty good. But I have this, like I said, running off the Hotech receiver transmitter. I've adjusted the audio levels on my 90D to negative 12 dB, so you don't get blown out. So you should get it, get the raw audio. I don't have it running through anything else except the receiver transmitter directly to the camera, so you guys can get the real quality of the sound. All right, so the other 2 microphones I'll be comparing today will be the JK mic, the J017. That's a noise canceling lavalier microphone as well. I'll be running it through the Hotech receiver transmitter as well. See how that goes. And the other one is a Tonor mic, the TW630. That's a handheld microphone. It has its applications for some things. Other things, it's not as good. I just filmed some exercise videos, and obviously you can't use a handheld microphone on that. I did use the JK microphone on that one, and I got great audio off of that, even with all the moving around they did. So let me switch microphones and do an outfit change and see what you guys think. And on the next take, I won't have those glasses on, so you won't get the glare from these blinding lights. I'm currently running the Godox VL200 to my left, your right, and that's about 70% strength, believe it or not. At 100% strength, I'd probably start getting a sunburn. And on my right, your left, I got a high output light bulb, believe it or not, 13,000 lumens. No, not 1,300, but 13,000 lumens. A blinding light. I used to have all kinds of accoutrement of lights. Now 2 does it. I don't even need a headlight or anything like that. Just a key light, fill light, done and done. All right, so let's switch microphones and see what you guys think. All right, guys, I'm back now. This is the JK microphone. This is the JK J017 lavalier microphone hooked up to the Hotech receiver transmitter. I've also changed my picture quality on my 90D to the Cine style and put a different LUT on it. So I'm also playing around with some of that stuff. But anyway, this is the JK microphone, noise canceling, the J017 lavalier microphone hooked up to the Hotech receiver transmitter. Hopefully you can do a side-by-side comparison, rewind it back to the last take, and figure out which one sounds clearer. Maybe by now you could already tell which one sounds different. They're almost neck and neck. There's not a spectacular difference, I should say. In certain noise settings, there is. I've done it to where I could tell the difference right away. I was messing around in my sound studio, and because it's a controlled environment with sound, I have noise muffling styrofoam all over the walls and everything. You could tell a small difference, but in a large open area like this with a lot of sound to bounce off the walls and big open areas, you might not be able to tell. But anyway, once again, this is the JK noise canceling, the J017 lavalier microphone hooked up to the Hotech receiver transmitter, and the next one is going to be the Tonor TW630 handheld microphone. All right, guys, stay tuned and let me see see what you
All
guys
right, guys,
think.
final microphone audio test here. We have the Tonor TW630, the handheld microphone. It does come with two microphones, receiver that I have hooked up to the camera now, and it comes with two wind deflectors. I put the wind deflector on this one here so you can see it. I obviously didn't put it on this one because we're indoors and there's no wind. So hopefully you guys can tell the audio comparison between all three microphones. This one does sound to be, or does seem to be, the clearest, but we'll let you decide on that one. Once again, this is the Tonor TW630 handheld microphone. Like I said earlier, it does have its limited applications. Obviously, you can't do it when you're moving around. You need both hands, such as the exercise videos that I've filmed before. But for interviews, when you're staying stationary, you could free up a hand. They work absolutely excellent. The sound quality is great. We used these for a mock interview when we went up to North Carolina. They worked fantastic. So they does have its applications, but like I said, they're kind of limited. So you be the judge of the sound of all three microphones, or the Sennheiser, the JK, and the Tonor microphones. And as promised, there was an outfit change with the hat. How about that? Huh? I know. It's pretty crazy. But anyway, guys, let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to leave the comments down below. Hit the like and subscribe button. Please, let me know what you guys think. And you won't hurt my feelings if you leave a negative comment. You have to have feelings for them to get hurt. And I've been doing this way too long for me to have my feelings hurt with little comments. If anything, I thrive on them and make stuff better. So thanks a lot, guys, for watching. Stay tuned for the next video, and I hope you enjoyed this one. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.